Option number 1. Open up your laptop, computer, or your smartphone device. Follow the steps from this video and set up this passive income stream in less than 30 minutes or less. Close your laptop, turn off your computer, go with your friends, have fun, relax, go to a restaurant, enjoy yourself, and come back to collect your earnings on a regular basis. Option number 2. Don't follow the steps from this video and don't watch this tutorial and then go back to your normal life and earn no money at all. You can choose any of these two options, but keep in mind that if you decide to actually follow this tutorial and make money, I want you to know that this works worldwide, all over the world, and you can get paid for unlimited times. So if you're ready for that, leave it thumbs up, because as soon as this video hits 1,500 likes, I will have something special for you. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now for today, we will be using GIFs in order to make money, and you will get paid per each GIF. We need to understand what GIF actually is. According to Google, GIF is a lossless format for image files that supports both animated and static images. If you go over to Images, once you searched for GIFs, that's going to show you all of these different GIFs. So I'm sure you have seen them online. So this is a GIF. This is a GIF. This is a GIF. It's not an actual video. There's no audio, but it's also not an image. It's a GIF, and I think that you have definitely seen one of those online, and these are some of the most popular GIFs in the history of internet. And I'm sure you have definitely seen them somewhere online. So now that you actually know what GIF is, I want to proceed to step number 1, which is to come over to Giphy.com. This is over Giphy.com. GIF. This is a place where millions of people from all around the world upload different GIFs, all on different topics. You have some serious GIFs, you have some silly GIFs, you have nature, you have much, much more. There are literally millions of different GIFs to be found on Giphy.com. Now, will you have to upload these and create these GIFs? No, you don't have to. Absolutely not. You will not have to upload anything to Giphy.com, because you will actually get paid for just taking those GIFs from Giphy.com. And I will explain to you step by step how to set it up properly and how to actually make this work, so you can actually get paid. For step number 1, just come over to Giphy.com. Step number 2, now you have two different options. You could either come over directly to Giphy.com. You can go to the search bar and search for different GIFs like followers, count, likes, counts, subscribers, count, Facebook likes, count, views, count, and so on and so forth. For example, you can search for followers right here, just so I can show you an example. So this is a great one. You can use this, for example, or maybe this one. I don't know, but this one is better because we want to find a followers count GIF. So you can either do that on Giphy.com, or you can just go over directly to Google and search for followers count GIF, go to images and explore it. And that way you can actually find they will give you followers and likes count. For example, I'm going to use this one because this is a really great one. As you can see, it shows followers and it shows like it's counting those followers. And it's also from Giphy.com. As you can see, that's some really great stuff. Anyways, once you find that, I want you to proceed to step number 3. Now that you have found the perfect GIF, I want you to download it over to your device. So all you have to do is right-click on it. If you're using the desktop version, if you're using a computer or laptop, just right-click on the GIF, click Save Image As, and save it up to your computer. Step number 4. Now you will need to go over to a platform called eClincher, and this is over eClincher.com. This is the top-ranked social media management platform. And this is the tool that is businesses, entrepreneurs, and regular everyday people like me and you use to grow their social media accounts automatically because Clincher.com will manage their social media accounts for them and will boost them. Will grow their social media. As you can see, it's guaranteed to boost your social media ROI and grow you rich. It works with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok, and much, much more. Now, will you have to use this yourself? No. Will you have to pay for anything? No, you can do this for absolutely free. Do you need some social media accounts? This? Absolutely not. And you also don't need any social media followers as well. So this is perfect for complete newbies with no previous experience. And with no special skills. These guys have been featured on Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, The Huffington Post, Fox News, and other big media sources. So Clincher.com helps people grow their social media accounts by doing all of the work for them. And by managing all of their social media accounts, it helps them get more. It helps them get higher rich. It helps them get a better return on their investment. And it just continuously adds a value and features so they can get better to execute their strategy for that particular business owner or for that particular entrepreneur. So for step number 4, you just need to come over to eClincher. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the step number 5. I hope you're following everything closely because for step number 5, you will need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and right underneath the eClincher section, you will need to click on Partner or Affiliate. So you will actually need to join their affiliate program in order to start making money with those GIFs. And each of those GIFs can actually make you hundreds of dollars. Not only 300, but hundreds, if not thousands of dollars combined with this affiliate program. So stay tuned to see exactly how this actually works. But first of all, let's understand some facts. Just in 2020 alone, over 3.6 billion people, that's like half of the world, was using social media worldwide. A number of projected to increase to almost 4.4 billion people in 2025. So there's a lot of people that would need Clincher.com. And each person out of 4.4 billion people that you refer, you can have $100. One person equals to $100. 10 people equals to $1,000. 100 people. That's $10,000 for you in pure profit because you're not investing any money, because I'm actually going to show you a simple strategy to get paid for absolutely free. So for step number 5, I want you to apply for the affiliate program by clicking on the apply here. Now, that's going to take you over to this page where you will need to enter your email address in this box. Enter your first and last name for the website section. You can just paste the website, which we will be using for traffic, so you can leave it for now. I will show you which platform we will be using to get traffic, and then you can put that link as a website. You don't need your own website for this. So don't worry, you can leave this company named blank unless you have a company. Of course, if you don't have a company, don't worry, it's still going to work for you. You will select your country. And as you can see, they do accept people from all over the world, so all of these countries are accepted. We can go through all of these and they're all accepted, so it works worldwide. You'll create a password. You'll enter some of your social media accounts here. You will read their terms and conditions and privacy policy by clicking on this link. And if you agree, just tick the box. Fill out the captcha by clicking this button right here and just hit sign up. It's simple as that. Now you will be able to grab your special affiliate link. Whenever someone clicks on that, they can sign up to Clincher.com and you will make $100 per each. You just need 3 people to make $300, and I'm literally going to show you how you can reach millions of people. And as you saw, 3.6 billion people all around the world are already using social media, and now Clincher.com is going to help them grow and make more money with their social media account. For the next step, once you have grabbed your affiliate link, you just need to start driving traffic by using those GIFs, which we downloaded for absolutely free. So for step number 6, just go over to Imgur.com. Imgur is according to similar web being visited by over 243 million people every single month. Over 200 million people from all over the world. And you literally need just 3 people to make $300, 6 people, that's $600, and so on and so forth. And this is 200 million people. So for step number 6, just sign on by clicking on the sign up button right here. It's absolutely free, and it will take you no more than 60 seconds to create an absolutely free lifetime. And for the final step, you will just need to publish that GIF, which he previously downloaded for absolutely free, is click on a new post right here. That's going to take you over to this page where you will need to click on choose photos or videos, double click on the GIF, which you have previously downloaded. It's going to look something like this. As you can see, it's pretty catchy. Now give your post a title. So I want you to type in something that's really going to grab people's attention because you want them to click on your affiliate link. You can actually make $1 or $2 per person. 3 people, $300, 10 people, $1,000, and so on and so forth. So for example, type in grow your social media accounts automatically or something like that. Of course, you can customize it and change it as you prefer. And then in the description, just also create a nice call to action and leave your special affiliate link in this box. I will just say sign up here, but I actually recommend you type in something that's actually going to grab their attention. Make sure it's your affiliate link right here and add tags. This is also really important because you want specific people to see your GIF and to see your affiliate link. You don't want people that are interested in like weight loss and fitness to see your link. You obviously need people that are interested in growing their social media account. So example, type in Instagram or influencer, or how to grow your Instagram or social media, and so on and so forth. And once you're done adding those tags, you can attract targeted people. You have the call to action here. You have a nice looking GIF, and you have your affiliate link. All you have to do is publish this to the community, and over 243 million people can see your post on Anchor. Just hit to community, click post publicly, and that's all you literally need to do. That's all of the work. You have published this GIF that a lot of people from all over the world can now see. Click on your link, and you will get paid each person that signs up to aclincher.com. You can try the same with all of these different shifts. And whatever you think will attract people's attention will grab people's attention and will attract people to click your link. Just find some interesting GIFs on Jiffy.com, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.